guys, it's Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new release video. We have a lot of really cool releases. We have one exclusive collection. We have two ultimate exclusives. We have some foil releases, a washi release, some vinyl bows I'm really excited about, and also this week's wiggle. So let's go ahead and get started with the wiggle because that does come out Wednesday at noon Eastern. Last week's wiggle did sell out pretty quickly actually. I think it did sell out the day it was released, which was the rainbow wiggle. A lot of you guys have been asking if I'm going to be bringing that back. I might bring it back in the very far future. As of right now, we usually do leave some wiggles, like just in case something happens or there's like somebody gets a misfit or something like that, which rarely happens with our foil because it is manufactured. But if we have any left over, we'll put them into packs and then put them into the shop whenever we start releasing like old wiggles in the packs. I did make a post about that on Facebook that I was going to do a la carte, but honestly, just with the amount of foil that we have in shop, along with kits and character stickers and other items, washi, tan kits, we're just going to be doing like old wiggles in packs versus a la carte, just because there's so much foil then, because, you know, 6 sheets a week plus the 3 that we release that are actually 15 or whatever. It's a whole thing. So if we have any of those left, I'll definitely make an announcement and put those up with the leftover wiggles. So let's go over this week's wiggle. It is the same format as last week, so the weekend banner is still not cut out, but I did show you guys on the first week that you can easily cut it out. Thankfully, it is a clear sticker, so you really can't tell either way. But these are highly discounted sheets, and I love this purple color. It is so pretty. It could go with so many kits, like pretty much anything that has purple in it I think it would be really pretty with. Put that in my kit binder. Actually, I don't know. There might be some stuff that I have like in there, but I think it would look really pretty with Easter. Honestly, like anything with purple, just because I feel like it's kind of like a lighter purple, but like a little bit darker, but wouldn't be super wild. I don't have like a lot of purple kits planned, but even like, I'm using this as a birthday kit, but that would be super cute if you paired like a pink and a purple wiggle together. Would love that. It would look really cute with the Cyber Monday kit, because this also does have purple in it. If you wanted to make that a little bit more purplier, I think it would look, ooh, it'd even look cute. See, this is like a darker purple. And I think this would still look really cute with the Wizard birthday kit, which is, I believe, still in the shop. Most of these are still in the shop. What else do I have? I don't think I have anything else purple in my personal... that one's a little bit different because that one's more of a periwinkle. But yeah, there's tons of kits this will look cute with. Even like the lavender kit would be really pretty with. So how the wiggle works is the same as last week and the week before. It is $2 a sheet, so you could buy any of these a la carte. They can sell out like last week did, so these are available Wednesday at noon Eastern. There's a select amount that you can purchase a la carte, and then there's a select amount that are bundled together that you could purchase in a bundle, all 6 sheets for $10, so you do get the 1 sheet for free. So you have the bottom washi, which I did show you guys a hack how you can make these little extra full box kind of overlays in the first wiggle video in this format, which was 2 videos ago. And then you have the bows, you have the full box overlays, you have the header overlays. These are both in our chunky glitter header overlays. This is the sampler page, so you have some mini icons, flag overlays, a bow, some little like emoji heads, and then some mini deco with the weekend banner that is not cut out, but like I said, you could easily just trim that. Then there are the circle icons with the date numbers on the bottom, along with the photo corners, which have some of the vine ones and then some of our standard ones. So this is this week's wiggle. I think I'm just going to call it like lavender, because it's not quite like a dark purple, but it's not quite like a lavender. If you guys have any other better ideas, it's a really pretty purple color though. And I feel like it's like the most, like, it's like a little bit of a darker lavender, but super pretty. So really excited for that. Then let's go ahead into the non-kit releases for the week. So we do have a washi for this week. This week's washi is just white and silver. Very, very simple, but very usable. So that is the washi. It'll be available as a single. It's been very requested. I think we had a white with silver in tinsel possibly, but that is what this one looks like. There it is compared to the gray in last week. This was last week's bundle. Super pretty with the silver, and then we did the white and silver as a la carte. So that's the washi. Then we do have some vinyl bows, which I'm going to go ahead and see if I can lift this up so you guys can see the color better. This one is a black, I'm going to call it Black Hollow, I think. Let me go ahead and show you guys if I could get it. It's kind of hard to see on camera. There you go. You can kind of see it there. I'm going to shine my light on it. Maybe actually without the light. No, the light does help. But it looks really cool. I actually have this one on my water bottle because there was like an oopsie one. The oopsie was like the top layer, but it looks super cool. You can't really see it just because everything's so blown out with the studio lights, but it is super cute. These are going to be ultra limited just because I didn't want to have, well, Kirsten's doing these and I didn't want her to have her do like a gazillion of them just because they're so time sensitive. So I'm just having her do these kind of in rounds, and then depending on how well they sell, we'll just order more vinyl. These are made in-house. So if you like this one will sell out really fast, we can totally restock it in the future. So it is like a black hollow, which is really cool. It's like a black hollow sparkle. And then this one is a baby matte pink. We're gonna have a lot of pinks coming, but this one is probably one of my favorites. Let me see if I can get it to come down. Once you put the top layer on, it's a little hard to be able to pull it down to see. Okay, so that is what that color looks like. It is literally just a matte baby pink. It's really pretty. So that is the second one. So these are the bow vinyls. So they're just like a standard vinyl like you'd get from any shop that sells vinyls. So like I said, those are going to be pretty limited for the first couple of rounds of those, just until we see if you guys actually like them, and then we'll start stocking more. Then I have some scribblers this week. So this week we do have the presents in all three girls, the shopping girls, as well as the sleeping girls, which are super cute. So those are the 3 scribbler releases for this week, and those will be available in all three girls, of course. Then we have some foil releases for the week. I do have some full box overlays in polka dots. It's easiest to see in the silver, but they are super cute. I love these. I think it's a similar design to the December, was that the travel? No, November was travel? No, December was travel. Had one of these and I was in love with it. So I have some polka dots. Super cute, a little bit on the abstract side of polka dots, which I prefer. Then we have some strokes. These are like really cute, dainty, skinny double strokes, which I really love. I've been really loving like dainty foil. Like I have been having a love affair with the glitter header overlays, not the chunky ones, but the regular glitter header ones. So cute. So these are really pretty thin strokes. And then we also have the summer bucket list. So these will be available in all three foils as well. So you have some bows and then some bucket list items in Jessica J. Crew Plan's handwriting. So those are the foil releases for this week. And then last but not least, we do have some kits. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the exclusive one, the one that's exclusive art first. And this one is called Friend and Me. And y'all know Toy Story 4 is coming out. I thought the third one would be the last one. Toy Story has a very special place in my heart. This was designed a while ago, so it does have the old freebie. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in, but I love this. It is so cute. It's so hip. It's so fun. So you have lots of different elements in here, very inspired. It's kind of like if I was really obsessed with Toy Story and wanted to do my bedroom in Toy Story themed. So super cute, and you even have like a little Buzz girl and like a Woody girl, and I love these colors. So you have like a blue, a gray, and the brown. So it's kind of like a little bit more on the like subtle side rather than like a ton of these like brighter colors. I tried it with the brighter colors, didn't love it. Then you have your extra girl here, which is kind of like the Buzz girl, and this is an ultimate exclusive. Your functional page, your half boxes page, your washi page, your little things page, your Ombre Art checklist page, and then your bottom washi page. And then this is the 15mm add-on if you want to add that on, which would be super cute. I'd probably do bows just because I think that'd be adorable. So that is the Friend and Me kit, which I am super excited about. I'll definitely be using this in June. I actually have to put it in my kit schedule. I've been like moving around my kits like crazy recently. I feel like so many things are going to be going on. And I'm also like starting to do half birthdays for everyone whose birthday is like during December and stuff. Like who decided to be born in December? I don't even know. But so there's the 15mm washi add-on, and then there's also an option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. Like how cute is this kit? I'm so in love with it. And I even love the little cow pattern. It's just so cute. So that's Friend and Me. It is exclusive art to SBC. You will not find it anywhere else. There is also another Ultimate exclusive. We usually do Ultimate exclusive with some, sorry if you hear Ben in the background. Usually I try and film when he's sleeping, but I've been really tired at night, so I've been just going to bed. But, so I decided to film now, so sorry if you can hear him just being his best self downstairs. But I usually do Ultimate Exclusive for kits that are really niche or custom art or old mysteries. But this one I thought was kind of more niche, so I did do it in an Ultimate Exclusive. And this one is called Fantastic 2.0. I just thought this was really cute. It's definitely more based on the second movie, which is the one that just came out, but I think you could probably use it for the next one too. Mostly because we don't really know what'll happen in the second one, because third one, because I don't even know what happened in the second one. And I did watch it. It was the most confusing movie to me. I feel like no spoiler just because it's been out for a while, but I thought it was really cute. I really liked the style of the art, and I love these colors together, like the navy and the yellow are just like kind of life. And then you have your extra full box here. I love the gold accents throughout. I love the colors. I just think it's so cute. I'm definitely hoarding this. You have your little things, your ombre heart checklist, and then you have your bottom washi, which I kept pretty simple. And then this is the 15mm add-on if you want to add that on as well. Which I love that blue. I love the blue and the yellow together, or I guess like it's more of a gold. And again, this was designed a little while ago, so it does have the old freebie right there. And like I said, this and the last kit are Ultimate Exclusives, so they will not be made into mini kits. I have a ton of mini kit exclusives coming up, so if y'all are mini kit users, you'll be excited about those. So again, that is the 15mm washi add-on. I do have a like character add-on, so instead of doing like the 4, I did do like all 8 just because I thought these were really cool, and it can kind of extend your kit because there are 2 other full boxes in here. So if you do purchase this, you're going to end up having, oh my god, math, 16 to 18, is that right? 18 full boxes. So you can really make this kit go pretty far. Especially like if you're usually a mini kit user, you can make this into 2 different spreads. Really love all of the characters. I really liked the details in here. And then there is also an option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. These colors, I'm living for them. So that is Fantastic 2.0. Highly in love with that. And then last but not least, we do have a kit that does have mini and ultimate. And this is called Paradise. Very kind of like summery kit. It's crazy. We're already looking at some summer kits here. So you do have your freebie here. I'm kind of really in love with this green color. It's so unique. So this is very like kind of island getaway, but can kind of just be beachy. It could kind of just be like chilling at home kind of feel. Love these colors. I can't figure out what they remind me of, but they remind me of a kit. If you guys know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comments down below. You have your functional page. You have your half boxes page. I love these patterns. Like, this is just so pretty. Reminds me of like just like a really pretty art piece, or like they find at like Marshall's or something. That's just so summery. And then tons of little deco there. And then I love this bottom washi. I think it's so fun. The green is like not a normal green I'd be drawn to, but I don't know why. Like even in like, oh, the pink and the blue, but like the green. Kind of loving it, especially for summer. I just think it's really pretty. I would call this like almost like a summer anytime kit. I would use this just to signify that it is summer. So that is the ultimate kit. This kit also does come in the option for a mini kit. Also, if you guys are wondering about March Mystery, I will be putting up that video on Friday, and we'll be doing the labels on Thursday and dropping them off on Friday. So that'll probably be getting to most of you domestic people the next week. International might be a little bit longer depending on how the post loves us or not. So this is the bottom washi page, and then this is the option if you want to add on the 15mm. Really love this blue. We haven't done a ton of blues. And then last but not least, there is the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. Super, super cute. So that is everything for this week. I hope you like this week's new releases. Again, we have Friend of Me, which is exclusive art to SPC, and an ultimate exclusive. We have Fantastic 2.0, which is an ultimate exclusive. And then we have Paradise, which comes in both ultimate and mini. We have the summer bucket list, the thin double stroke, the polka dot overlays, the scribblers, the vinyl bows, the washi, and last but not least, the wiggle. So I hope you guys like this week's releases, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.